How to organize your life. Getting organized in your life may sound like a daunting task, but there are some easy ways to help make it easier for you. Having a system in place will help you keep track of all your activities, and will also help you manage your time more effectively. Declutter space by space. Organizing your life doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Using the right tools and techniques can reduce the hassle of getting organized. It's a win-win situation for everyone. The end result will be a better you. And with a better you, you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor for the rest of your days. The best part is you'll never have to pay for storage again. One of the best ways to get your life organized is to start small. Start by decluttering one area at a time. While this may sound like a chore, the results will be well worth the effort. You'll be surprised at the gratification you'll feel when you're finally finished. Then you can move on to the next task. Write daily, weekly, or monthly to-do lists. Whether you're at home or at work, writing to-do lists can help you stay organized. Whether you're trying to remember your next appointment or plan your day, a to-do list can be an invaluable tool. To-do lists are traditionally written on post-it notes, but there are plenty of digital apps available for you to choose from. Some are even able to create digital to-do lists that you can share with others. These apps are also able to add tags, priority ratings, and stars. When you're making a to-do list, you'll want to be sure to include all the information that you need. This includes your phone number, as well as information about how long you have to complete each item. You might also want to include a due date. This will help you prioritize your tasks and assign an appropriate amount of time for each one. Priorities. Creating a list of your priorities is a great way to organize your life. Prioritizing your tasks will allow you to stay ahead of your workload and get a clearer picture of what is important. It will also help you save time. Prioritizing is a process of deciding what tasks are most important and completing them first. It's also a great way to reduce stress. When you are able to prioritize, you are better able to make the most of the time you have and get everything done on time. The most important things to remember when prioritizing are to list your priorities in order of importance. This can be a simple list of your goals, but it should also include your personal priorities as well. Craft a daily routine. Creating a daily routine can be a very helpful tool to help you organize your life. These routines can also reduce stress and make it easier for you to stay on track. Before you can craft a daily routine, you should make sure that you are clear about what you want to accomplish. You will also need to know how much time you have to complete the tasks you want to do. You may want to start with small changes. Once you have a routine in place, you can check it off as you complete your daily tasks. It's also a good idea to turn off your phone 30 minutes before bed. Break tasks down into chunks. Using the chunking method to organize your life can be very helpful. It can help you focus on your goals, reduce stress, and reduce procrastination. It can also help you find success. Breaking down large tasks into smaller chunks can help you focus on each task and achieve your goals. It can also help you reduce procrastination and help you use your time and energy more efficiently. To break a task down into smaller pieces, you need to define the task. For example, you can define a task as tying shoelaces. Then you can break that task down to its individual steps. The next step in breaking a task down is to look at how long it will take to complete. For example, if you need 3 hours to complete a task, you need to break it down to smaller steps. Get rid of stuff. Getting rid of clutter is a good idea. It will help reduce stress and give you more space for the things you need. It's also fun to do. You'll feel more productive and feel a sense of accomplishment for a job well done. A good first step is to picture yourself with a clutter-free home. Think about what's important to you and what you can live without. For example, if you're a bookworm, you'll want to get rid of anything that doesn't have a book inside. It's also a good idea to designate a home for everything. This includes electronics, clothing, and other things you use every day.